Guys, to another video. Today we are going to a supermarket. We are going to South Supermarket. Where are we gonna go first?
Nilalak yun.
Where are we gonna go first?
Buy meat first.
Wait, what about Tita? Susunod ba si Tita?
After.
Okay. So we're gonna go to the supermarket, and then after that we're gonna sundo Tita. We're gonna pick up Tita in the pet store. Not pet store, in the like the shed or something. Gonna pick her up after work. Gonna pick her up after work. So yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna stay in the car. Yeah, we're going to South Supermarket.
Nababasa ko parang kumaano yung dali. Oo, yan sa inquiry, sinend ko nga yun sa group eh. Nabasa ko rin. Billion 2023 and 2024, ang laki ng losses nila.
It's gonna be it will take a while to go there, so
the next 5 years.
So you guys will skip vlog a bit. So
wala kang guard, ang daming loss.
oh, alright guys, we're not done, not there yet, but we're close. And this is the driver.
Hello. Morning.
This is my grandma.
Hi.
And this is my mom. This is my grandpa, which is the driver.
Yeah.
Just want to introduce myself to my family and who's there and who is going with us to the South Supermarket. So yeah.
Kailangan din natin na isang papaya para sa ulang.
Daming gulay na wala.
Ha?
Sabi ng papaya.
Ay, nako, ayoko nakikinig kung kani-kanino. Yung 10 piso, 20 pesos ako bibili na.
Okay, so we are, I don't know, where are we?
Lalo may pambili ka pa naman. Pag wala na yan, mamili ka na. Wala pa tayong papaya.
So I don't know, where are we now? I think
Siyempre yung mga
we're at we're close to the main road. I think we're close to the main road, so it's raining. You guys, look at this. There's farms. This is crazy. There's also one thing about me. I love farms, and this is crazy. Look at this farm, guys. Oh my god. Almost some of them are dead. Are those dead farms? Are those dead? Are those even dead? Oh, there's even signs. They're falling over. What happened to there? What happened to that? Yeah, field of grass. Room for activity.
Rice for the dog.
Guys, what is happening? It's broad daylight. Guys, what is happening? It's broad daylight and it's raining. What? Look, it's a nice day. You might say, oh, it's nice for a picnic. It's literally raining. What the heck? Can you guys let me know in the comments what is happening? Because this is weird. It's broad daylight, no cloudy, no storms, I think. And there's rain. What? Wait. And I don't need to cut the video again because we are literally almost there. Oh, look right there. South Supermarket right there. Oh. Wait, that's... You gotta turn around. Alright, he's gonna turn around. This is gonna take a while.